Here's one move that does it all. Okay, if possible, I'm gonna invite you to kick off your shoes and socks and do this one barefoot, but if you have shoes on or you're in a public place, keep them on, that's fine too. If you are barefoot or in socks, forgive the sand on the bottom of my feet, but I want you to find what I like to call your tripod foot. So you're thinking the center of your heel, the ball of your big toe, and the ball of your pinky toe. Imagine an upside down triangle, and I want you to try to find those 3 points on the ground. That's gonna give you a really good stable base and kind of put your body in that center of gravity because everything starts from the ground up. Once we have that stable base, okay, we're gonna take our opposite leg and we're gonna tap our toe forward as far as our body allows. A few things to keep in mind. You can absolutely use a wall or chair for balance if you want, knowing that you can make this a balance exercise because there's always room to grow and improve. But if you need something for balance right now, please use it. Otherwise, as this toe comes forward, you're gonna notice that the leg you're standing on, that knee is gonna jet out over your toes. This is a good and wonderful thing. This is helping us improve our ankle mobility. What I want you to consider is as you're reaching that toe out, try to keep this knee in line with your second to third toes. So I just don't want to see that knee coming in, or I don't want it coming out too far. I want you to just try to keep that in line and keep this back heel down. Keep that back heel down. That's how we're really going to get into our ankles. So you're going to tap your toe forward as far as your body allows. Then you're going to tap to the side as far as your body allows. Then you're going to tap directly behind you as far as your body allows, paying attention to that knee. Make sure it's not diving on the inside of your big toe. Draw this hip back. As you bring this hip back, that knee will go more in line with your second to third toes. Okay, we're almost done. Then you're gonna take this back leg and you're gonna shoot it diagonal as far as your body allows. And then you're gonna do this crescent moon or this half C shape and tap in front of you. Yeah, so here's what the whole thing looks like. So we have our tripod foot, center of the heel, ball of the big toe, ball of the pinky toe, that upside down triangle. Then you're gonna tap forward as far as your body allows. You're gonna tap to the side. You should start feeling your hips say hello. You're gonna tap directly behind you. Then you're gonna go diagonal as far back as your body allows. And then you're gonna do this half backward C and tap in front of you. Now you can speed this up, but I highly recommend slowing it down. Slow and control really, really builds that strength and coordination. Okay, so let's try it on the other leg because my hip is burning out. So if you're barefoot or you're in socks, you're gonna find that tripod foot, center of your heel, ball the big toe, ball the pinky toe. Again, forgive the sand. So you're gonna find that stable base. Okay, now that I have it, I'm gonna tap that toe forward to the opposite leg, trying to keep this heel down and allowing that knee to come forward over my toes. Then I'm gonna tap to the side. I'm gonna tap directly behind me as far as my body allows. Then I'm gonna go diagonal. And then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna make that C shape, and I'm gonna tap in front. Let's try it one more time, yeah? So tap in front. Once you get the legs down, you can start getting your arms into a more functional place where they're in opposition to the side. Then you're gonna tap directly behind you. Then you're gonna go diagonal. And then you're gonna come back around and tap. Yes, I love to do this one while I'm watching TV. I'm already at home barefoot in my own living room. This is gonna be impeccable to improve balance, mobility, strength, coordination, stability. We're getting into our knees. We're building bulletproof knees. We're getting into ankle mobility, the joints of our ankle, making them super, super healthy. So try this out. Take it with you anytime, anywhere, and put in the comments. Let me know how this feels for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I'm Ash, your holistic trainer and founder of Fit in Minutes. And if you like this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. That way you get an alert every single time a new video drops. Every video here on this channel is 8 minutes or less to help support you so that you no longer have to feel like health is something you have to schedule in, but instead it fuses with your day. You'll find workouts that you can do anytime, anywhere, wearing anything that requires zero equipment, very little space, and whatever environment you're in. You're gonna find mindset tips to help you overcome hurdles and obstacles, allow you to follow through even when you feel like motivation or consistency or time is a struggle. My goal is to help you build a body you feel confident in, one you can rely on, one that takes you with you wherever you're going in life. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.